Hello and welcome back to Mirror Interpretation Todorova. Welcome back to this set called Coronary Artery Disease, Bilingual Medical Terminology, Russian-English. My name is Ioana. I am an interpreter and a polyglot. And in this set of videos, you're seeing a free promo videos related to the entire training that will be on my platform on Thinkific below this video. The total training contains 10 videos, 5 in text and 5 in medical terminology. And in this video, you're gonna see a portion of a medical terminology video. Go ahead, introduce yourself, Miss Anna.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. I'm an English-Russian translator. I have an honors degree in English linguistics, and I've been doing translations for over 8 years now as a freelancer.
And this is a medical terminology video, promo video, Russian-English related to coronary artery disease.
Ишемическая болезнь сердца, медицинская терминология.
We're gonna read each word twice, so if you don't understand it the first time, we make sure you hear it once again in English and in Russian. Symptoms of a coronary artery disease.
Симптомы ишемической болезни сердца.
Symptom of a coronary artery disease.
Симптом ишемической болезни сердца.
A heart attack.
Острое сердечно-сосудистое заболевание, сердечный приступ.
A heart attack.
Острое сердечно-сосудистое заболевание, сердечный приступ.
Chest pain or discomfort, angina.
Боль или дискомфорт в груди, стенокардия.
Chest pain or discomfort, angina.
Боль или дискомфорт в груди, стенокардия.
Heaviness.
Тяжесть.
Heaviness.
Тяжесть.
Tightness.
Стеснение.
Tightness.
Стеснение.
Pressure.
Давление.
Pressure.
Давление.
Aching pain would be usually.
Ноющая боль.
Aching pain.
Ноющая боль.
Burning.
Жжение.
Burning.
Жжение.
Numbness.
Онемение.
Numbness.
Онемение.
Fullness.
Распирание.
Fullness.
Распирание.
Squeezing.
Сдавливание.
И я слушала, жмут меня внутри тоже, да? Squeezing.
Жмет в груди, yeah, you can say so.
Dull ache.
Тупая боль.
Dull ache.
Тупая боль.
Shoulder.
Плечо.
Shoulder.
Плечо.
And in order to make sure that you do not forget who is the best girls that create this training, кто молодец? Сейчас мы расскажем вам, кто молодец, не забывайте это. So, to share with you guys the creators of this vocabulary, it's me, Ioana Todorova, slides design of me. I'm a Bulgarian, Italian, Russian translator and an interpreter, and also Macedonian. You can find me on YouTube or LinkedIn if you need services. I'm passionate about medical, and I believe I like to return to business simultaneous interpreting. So if you need the services, you can contact me on these platforms.
My name is Anna Vanina. I'm an English-Russian translator. You can check out my profile on Upwork. You can just type Anna V Upwork translator and you will see my profile and check out my reviews. Or you can message me on LinkedIn by Anna Vanina or on vanusha.sk@gmail.com if you need my services.
Thank you so much, Miss Anna. And thank you guys for being here. I just like to remind you that the entire training is 10 videos, 5 videos, text about what is coronary artery disease. Some of those promos videos you were able to see me and Anna create 4 of those. And you have in the total training, in the full training, you have 5 videos of medical vocabulary, about 15 to 17 minutes, 20 minutes each. So if you like to purchase the training, you can click on the link below and there would be my platform on Thinkific. This is the Russian English training videos for you guys. And thank you for being here. Спасибо большое.